Hi, Deadlocks here again, and today we have this nice old Chubb. Which I haven't seen many like this. Has similar keyway to a cruiser.
I find that surprising. You have so many Chubbs.
Well, thing is, my first tensioner for a cruiser was this one, and I always found it strange that the upright wasn't actually tall enough to throw the bolt properly. But now I understand, because I have this and the upright is similar. So that would explain that. So this is probably made out of a key for one of these rather than a cruiser key. But that means that I have a tensioner for this ready.
Ta-da! Here's one I blue petered earlier.
Got no false gates. It does have a monitor lever in it, but no false gates. Up for a look with no false gates. It's a surprisingly tricky pick. So it must have some pretty good tolerances.
Well, it's tolerating you, so it must.
I say.
Dun, dun, dun.
That was a little rude, wasn't it?
Well, you always tell me I'm a me and you, so I may as well pretend to be one.
Getting everything stuck. Let's try that again.
You don't want to get it stuck, because then you'll not be able to lock it. Unlock it.
I've picked this once,
Just once.
but it does put up quite a fight.
How much of a fight?
Enough of a fight.
Oh, just enough of one. Not a lot of the one, just enough.
Asking too many questions.
That's fine. You meant to ask questions. How else am I meant to learn?
Read a book.
Is there a book on that lock?
I don't know.
Do
Do I look like a library to you?
you do? Well, it's stocked library.
There we go.
But a library.
And we're open. I'm trying not to throw the bolt all the way, because that wire is far too tall. It is picked. I'm not going to throw the bolt all the way because that wire is far too tall and will get stuck and will make my life difficult. But there you go. Nice old Chubb. It's a nice fish on it. It says Chubb London. It's not the usual fish neither.
Why did you use a fish?
Because the Chubb is a fish. Has patent on it. I don't know what the patent is, but
Maybe the painting people can look.
you have to throw that bolt all the way back. There we go.
I'm scared of Puppy doing that.
So you might be able to see the reason that to throw the bolt is that monitor lever is in there. Yeah,
Else would it be?
that's all from us. See you next time.
Bye!
I think.
It'll be a very quiet video. You need to go to bed in a minute.